Today, I'll walk you through how to rerun scenarios in Make, so you can recover from failures or repeat a successful workflow without starting from scratch. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into Make by opening your browser and heading to the platform. Sign into your account and access your main workspace, where all your automations live. Once you're in, click Scenarios from the left navigation menu. This opens up the full list of your workflows so you can see everything you've built at a glance. Now locate the specific scenario you want to rerun. If you have a lot of scenarios, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need. Click the scenario name to open it, and the scenario builder will load up, showing you the complete workflow canvas. Before you do anything else, review the scenario's current status. Check that everything is configured correctly, and look for any unresolved errors that might still be flagged. Then, open the History, Executions, or Runs section, depending on what your version of Make calls it. This lets you review previous scenario runs. Find the specific execution that either failed or needs to be repeated. Open its details if necessary so you can see exactly what happened. Check the input and output information from that run to confirm that rerunning is indeed the right move and that the data looks correct. Now, if there were errors, fix them before proceeding. Resolve any connection issues, data mapping problems, or missing pieces that caused the failure the first time around. If you made any changes to the scenario, click Save to lock those updates in. Then, return to the main workflow canvas by going back to the scenario builder. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Run Once. Click that to manually start the scenario. Depending on how your trigger is set up, you may also need to trigger the source event again. That could mean submitting a form, adding a new row to a spreadsheet, sending a fresh webhook request, or creating a new record in your app. Watch the scenario execute as the modules process data one by one. Successful modules will show green completion indicators, so you can follow the flow. Pay close attention to the trigger module to confirm it receives fresh data properly. Then watch each subsequent module pass data to the next step. If a module fails again, open the error details right away and continue troubleshooting as needed. Finally, verify the final action. Check that your destination app received the expected data, whether that's an email sent, a record created, a row added, or a subscriber updated. Open the latest execution log to confirm everything completed successfully. And note that for some errors, Make may offer options to process incomplete executions, so review any recovery actions that appear. You've now successfully rerun a scenario in Make. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!